In this video, we'll show you how to activate Paramount Plus on your TV in just a few easy steps. Follow these instructions to start streaming your favorite shows, movies, and sports on Paramount Plus. Step 1. Install the Paramount Plus app for smart TVs. Navigate to your TV's App Store, e.g. Google Play Store, App Store, Samsung App Store, and search for Paramount Plus. For streaming devices, Roku, Apple TV, Amazon Fire Stick, etc., go to the respective app store on your streaming device and download the Paramount Plus app. Step 2. Open the Paramount Plus app. Once the app is installed, open it on your TV. The app will prompt you to sign in or activate your account. Step 3. Sign in or create an account. If you already have a Paramount Plus account, sign in using your credentials, email, and password. If you don't have an account, you can create one directly through the app. Step 4. Get the activation code. Once logged in, the app will display an activation code on your TV screen. Step 5. Visit the activation website. On your phone, tablet, or computer, open a web browser and go to the official activation page at www.paramountplus.com. Activate. Step 6. Enter the activation code. On the activation page, you'll be prompted to enter the activation code displayed on your TV. Type the code in the appropriate field. Step 7. Complete the activation. After entering the code, click Activate. The website will verify the code, and within moments, your TV screen should refresh, granting you full access to Paramount Plus. Step 8. Start streaming. Now that your Paramount Plus account is activated on your TV, you can start browsing and streaming your favorite content. If you encounter any issues during the activation process, ensure that both your TV and device are connected to the internet. You may also need to check that you're signed in with the correct account. Enjoy watching Paramount Plus on your TV.